Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to close a period in Xero by setting lock dates. This is an essential feature for maintaining the integrity of your financial records, especially when you need to prevent accidental changes to past transactions after completing your month-end or year-end processes. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log in to your account using your registered email address and password. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has the necessary permissions to modify financial settings, as this feature is typically restricted to administrators or accountants. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar of your screen. Here you'll find several menu options, and you need to locate the one labeled Accounting. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various accounting-related options. From this drop-down selection, click on Accounting Settings. This will take you to the central hub where you can configure how Xero handles your financial data. Once you're in the Accounting Settings page, look for the Financial Settings section. This area contains important controls that affect how your financial information is managed and protected. Click on Financial Settings to access the specific options we need for locking periods. Within the Financial Settings, you'll see a section called Lock Dates. This is where the magic happens. Xero provides two different lock dates, each serving a distinct purpose. The first lock date field is designed to prevent standard users, except for advisors, from making any adjustments to transactions on or before the date you specify. This is particularly useful when you want to give your accountant or advisor flexibility while restricting other team members from altering historical data. The second lock date field is more restrictive. When you set this date, it stops all users, including advisors, from making any changes to transactions on or before that specified date. This is your ultimate safeguard for finalized periods, ensuring that once your books are closed, they stay closed. Think carefully about which date you choose here, as it represents a hard stop for everyone. Take your time to decide on the appropriate dates for both fields based on your reporting periods and accounting needs. Once you've entered your chosen dates in both lock date fields and you're satisfied with your selections, click on Save. This action will implement your lock dates immediately, protecting your financial records from unwanted modifications. And there you have it, you've successfully set up lock dates in Xero to close your accounting periods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.